Qwen can also be used for grammar correction. So even if you have a really broken English, let's say for example, then Qwen can correct it. And so for other languages of your choice as well. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a sentence. But before that, I'm simply going to say correct grammar right here, just like this. And inside of bracket, I'm going to say a good day, morning, biscuit, tea, eat, enjoy, TV watching. So you can see that this is really broken English with some errors right here in spelling as well. So if I were to go ahead and simply send it, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and correct it out and rephrase out the sentence as needed. So it says, it was a good day. In the morning, I enjoyed eating biscuits with tea while watching TV. And you can see that it really corrected out the sentence structure right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize Qwen for grammar correction as well.